I've got opinions. Oh, yeah, I've got loads of opinions. Love an opinion. I mean, I'll be honest with you, Comedy Store. All my opinions are just opinions that I've heard. Every single one. I hear an opinion, I think, oh, I like the sound of that opinion. That is an excellent opinion. I'm going to take that opinion and pass it off as my own opinion. People will think I'm opinionated. Sometimes, though, you get caught out, don't you? People say to you, what's your opinion? And you go, oh, I haven't heard one yet. I'm not ready to offer an opinion. What's your opinion? Oh, that is a good opinion. That is now also my opinion. The worst one is when you hear an opinion, you think, I like the sound of that opinion, I'm going to give it a run out, right? And it's wrong. What is that? You want to go back to the person who gave the original opinion. Excuse me, do you know that opinion I overheard? I tried that in front of my family and friends, it was shit. You made me look like a right mug. Just my opinion.